All right, everybody. Hello again. This is Marshall Nelson, and today I'm going to be showing all of you how to set up a Doodle poll. Now, Doodle is an online web tool. You can also download it as an app where you can set up and schedule meetings and polls. All right, let's go. So first, we're going to go over here to Google Chrome. Then we're just going to go up to the search bar and type in Doodle. It's this first one here, Doodle free online meeting scheduling tool. So we're going to click on that. I'm already signed in. You can sign up for free with your email. It's pretty easy to use. Email, Facebook, whatever you want to do. All right, so it's going to ask what's the occasion. I'm just going to put project, or let's put demonstration. Demonstration. Spelled it wrong, but there we go. Description, demo of Doodle. Location, doesn't really matter for this particular demonstration, but so you can pick a time, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes for when the poll will be open. So today's Thursday the 2nd. Let's do 5 or 6 p.m. If you pick another time, if it will cooperate with me. It's not, but if you pick the wrong time, you can just hit that X there. It'll go away. Click back. There it is again. We're going to hit create invite and then continue. Almost done. And then share invite. You can just pick anyone you want, email, phone number, whatever. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Thank you guys again. Bye.